Welcome back, fellow investors and finance enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the financial universe of the Charles Schwab Corporation, where numbers meet excitement and trends shape the future. Buckle up, because we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey through the metrics that make Charles Schwab tick. Let's kick things off with the P/E ratio or price-to-earnings ratio, the heartbeat of any stock. With a trailing 12 months PR of 28.75 and a forward PR of 16.60, Charles Schwab seems to be dancing to a different tune compared to its past 5 years, averaging at 19.71. Talk about a roller coaster ride. Next up, we've got the PG or price/earnings to growth ratio standing at 2.02. Indicates a balance between growth and earnings, because remember that a value around 1 is when a stock can be considered undervalued. But hold your horses. Insider ownership is holding strong at 5.94%, giving us a peek into the minds of those who know Charles Schwab best, its insiders. Now let's talk about returns, shall we? Return on equity struts in at 13.07%, while return on assets glides gracefully at 0.97%. Unfortunately, return on invested capital is MIA due to SCHW's banking sector status. These numbers indicate how efficiently Charles Schwab uses its shareholders' equity and company assets to generate earnings. But fear not, the show must go on. Now let's talk about earning per share or EPS that steals the spotlight at $3.11, with a promising future outlook of 14.24% over the next 5 years. Cue the drumroll for this financial superstar. Hold on to your seats as we witness the evolution of EPS over the last 9 years, boasting a stunning compound annual growth rate of 14.3%. Meanwhile, free cash flow per share takes us on a wild ride with its inconsistent evolution, but a jaw-dropping CAGR of 24.07%. Talk about a financial roller coaster. Charles Schwab treats its investors with a dividend yield of 1.46% and a mouth-watering 15.34% dividend growth over the last decade. However, it seems that this year there will be no dividend increases. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Meanwhile, operating margin flaunts its prowess at 36.35%, while profit margin winks at us from a cozy 18.22%. Indicating how efficiently it is to turn each dollar of revenue into earnings. Fasten your seatbelts as we witness the exhilarating journey of revenue and earnings over the past 8 years, with a slight dip in the last year. But fear not, as Charles Schwab remains a strong contender in the market, striving for greatness alongside its peers. Debt-to-equity ratios stand firm at 1.46 debt-to-equity ratio and 1.21 long-term debt-to-equity ratio, while SCHW's market cap shines brightly at a staggering $127.94 billion. With an average price return of 32.71% over the last 52 weeks, Charles Schwab is certainly not one to shy away from the limelight. And last but not least, analysts foresee SCHW's price soaring to $76.70 in the next 12 months, presenting a tantalizing upside of 5.01%. But wait, there's more. Our own fair valuation estimates SCHW's worth at $75.20, aligning closely with the analysts' predictions. Talk about a match made in financial heaven. So, there you have it, folks. The tantalizing tale of the Charles Schwab Corporation, where numbers meet excitement, and the future is always within reach. Remember, in the world of finance, every number tells a story. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing.